This is Leela from Sunship Energy Arts, and today I'd like to talk about the archetypes of Mercury and Jupiter. Mercury recently ingressed into Pisces. Jupiter is already in Pisces, and they will make a conjunction soon enough. These are intimately related archetypes, but in a lot of ways opposites. Jupiter rules Sagittarius, Mercury rules Gemini, opposites. Jupiter rules Pisces, Mercury rules Virgo, opposites. What does this mean? When I look up into a night sky, I see many, many stars, a scattering of stars. This scattering, you could liken that to Mercury, particularly Mercury, the Gemini type of Mercury. It can be random. It seems random. There can be a logic behind it. And Mercury tries to seek out that logic behind it, moving from one to another. But if you look out into the night sky and somebody points out the constellation of Orion to you, from that point on, when you look up, you will probably see the constellation of Orion. You can't unsee it. This is the Jupiter archetype. It's a generalizing archetype. And in a lot of ways, it's less flexible. In the way beliefs are often less flexible than the act of gathering information and making connections. A belief tends to be big and encompassing. And I've seen that this sometimes presents a problem when Mercury and Jupiter are in hard aspects. Say if Mercury is in opposition to Jupiter, the function of collecting information, of perceiving, collecting, making connections, operates in an opposite way to the function of believing. And this is a signature that is sometimes seen in manic depressives. There's a sense where the mind is actually being ripped apart. For example, you have Jupiter in Pisces and Mercury in Virgo. Jupiter in Pisces wants to expand a lot in an encompassing and watery way, an emotional way. And Mercury in Virgo wants to analyze and sort and put into boxes. And this can be at odds with each other when it's in one person.